Welcome to another Biz in Poland video. Today I will talk about how you can find Polish registered companies. You can find it on this web address. I will of course also link to it in the end of the video, and you can also find it in the show notes on YouTube. And as you can see, it's in English also, so that's very easy. And a good thing is also you don't need to have all the information. Maybe you have only the NIP number, then you just write it here and scroll down and then click find. And also, if you have other information, you can write it here as well. Of course, the more, the merrier. And it's also possible here to click here and choose, go to the tax office, KRS or Recon, where you can also look for information about the companies. So yeah, it's very simple. And please subscribe for more tips and tricks regarding doing business in Poland, and also get more information in the show notes on YouTube, and see you soon, hopefully.